Some SUVs look great and seem perfect, but not all of them are built to last. In this video, you'll see 6 SUVs that keep running for decades with almost no problems, and 1 SUV that mechanics warn to avoid. Every vehicle on this list has something special that makes it reliable, so pay attention and see which one could be your next long-lasting SUV. Number 6. Toyota Highlander. The Toyota Highlander combines steady engineering with thoughtful system design to provide dependable performance. Its engine moves power smoothly through the drivetrain, letting every component operate in a coordinated way. Fuel enters the system evenly, supporting consistent operation across all cylinders and helping the vehicle maintain smooth motion. Gear changes occur with balanced timing. The transmission transfers energy efficiently, allowing internal parts to move without interference. Acceleration is smooth, delivering force to the wheels in a measured flow. This structure keeps mechanical systems working together without extra stress. Suspension parts allow motion without forcing neighboring components to compensate. Control arms, bushings, and mounting points move freely within their designed range, letting the chassis absorb energy evenly. Steering responds naturally to input, giving clear control while maintaining mechanical stability. Cooling channels spread fluid across the engine and transmission, keeping temperatures consistent. Electrical circuits prioritize critical systems, allowing secondary features like media or comfort modules to operate independently. Sensors monitor conditions without constantly adjusting components, letting all systems work steadily. Braking hardware distributes pressure evenly, maintaining coordinated operation across all parts. Inside the cabin, controls react immediately, and materials are selected for consistent performance and longevity. Assembly standards focus on precise alignment, ensuring parts fit together efficiently. Every system in the Highlander works in harmony with the others, creating balanced performance without relying on flashy features or unnecessary complexity. The SUV maintains smooth operation through careful organization of power, motion, and control, making it reliable for daily use and long-term driving. Number 5. Lexus GX450. The Lexus GX450 combines a strong frame with systems designed for smooth and consistent operation. Its engine provides steady power, with each component moving in harmony to maintain balance and efficiency. Fuel is delivered evenly, allowing the engine to operate calmly without placing unnecessary strain on internal parts. Shifts in the transmission happen gradually, ensuring torque flows evenly through the drivetrain. Every moving component stays aligned, supporting smooth acceleration and consistent operation under normal driving conditions. Power reaches the wheels steadily, avoiding sudden changes that could stress mechanical parts. Suspension components, including arms, bushings, and mounting points, move in controlled ranges, letting the chassis handle motion efficiently. Steering responds clearly, giving accurate control without forcing extra workload on the system. Brakes apply force evenly, with hardware designed to work together in coordination. Cooling systems distribute heat evenly, keeping the engine and transmission at stable levels. Electrical circuits are organized so that driving critical functions operate independently from comfort and media features. Sensors track performance without constantly adjusting, letting the mechanical systems remain stable. Inside, controls respond directly and predictably, while materials are selected for reliability and consistent performance. Assembly ensures precise alignment of all components, allowing each part to contribute to the vehicle's smooth operation. The Lexus GX450 focuses on balanced mechanics and steady performance. Every system interacts efficiently, creating an SUV that functions reliably and remains ready for consistent daily driving. Number 4. Honda HR-V. The Honda HR-V combines efficiency and reliability in a compact, well-organized SUV. Its engine operates steadily, distributing power evenly through the transmission to the wheels. Each internal component works in sync with others, keeping movement smooth and consistent without adding stress to mechanical parts. Shifts occur with a natural rhythm, sending torque directly to the wheels. The drivetrain channels energy efficiently, allowing acceleration to feel seamless while internal parts remain aligned. The vehicle moves in a balanced way, supporting smooth operation across different driving scenarios. Suspension joints, arms, and mounts allow controlled motion without forcing adjacent components to compensate. Steering is responsive and consistent, giving the driver precise control while the mechanical systems work together efficiently. Cooling systems spread heat evenly across the engine and transmission, keeping temperatures stable and components functioning steadily. Electrical modules for driving functions are separated from non-essential systems like media or climate, allowing all systems to operate independently. Sensors collect information without constantly adjusting other parts, which helps maintain mechanical calmness. Brakes apply pressure evenly, ensuring that all components share the workload effectively. Inside, buttons and levers respond directly, and materials are chosen for uniform wear and consistent feel. During assembly, parts are aligned accurately so each component interacts smoothly with the rest of the SUV. Number 3. Toyota RAV4. The Toyota RAV4 is engineered to keep every system working in sync while delivering smooth, efficient motion. Its engine maintains steady operation, with fuel flowing evenly to all cylinders. This ensures that internal components operate without extra stress, letting the vehicle perform reliably across various conditions. Shifts in the transmission are smooth and consistent, moving power through the drivetrain without disruption. Torque is distributed evenly to the wheels, and each mechanical part maintains proper alignment, allowing acceleration to feel fluid and uninterrupted. Suspension components, including mounts, arms, and bushings, absorb and channel motion in a controlled way. Steering delivers clear feedback, helping the driver guide the vehicle precisely while allowing the chassis to operate naturally. Temperature regulation is achieved through a system that spreads heat evenly across the engine and transmission. Electrical circuits for driving functions operate independently from secondary features, so core systems remain stable. Sensors provide information without causing unnecessary adjustments, keeping the mechanical setup running efficiently. Braking hardware applies force uniformly, allowing all parts to function in harmony. Inside, controls react smoothly to input, and materials are chosen to retain consistent performance over time. Assembly ensures that components fit together precisely, enabling the entire vehicle to operate as intended. The RAV4 emphasizes continuous, reliable operation by coordinating power, motion, and control across all systems. Every element interacts naturally with the next, producing a driving experience that is steady, composed, and dependable without relying on flashy designs or complicated features. Number 2. Toyota Corolla Cross. The Toyota Corolla Cross delivers efficient power while keeping its system simple and dependable. Its engine moves fuel evenly through all cylinders, allowing components to operate in harmony and maintain smooth motion. Every mechanical part works together, creating consistent performance across all drives. Transmission shifts are fluid and precise, sending torque to the wheels in a controlled way. Internal components stay aligned, so acceleration feels steady and natural without creating extra stress on the drivetrain. The SUV responds directly to driver input, connecting engine, transmission, and wheels in a seamless flow. Suspension mounts, arms, and bushings absorb energy and guide movement without forcing other parts to compensate. Steering reacts sharply and predictably, letting the driver control the vehicle easily while all systems operate together efficiently. Each section of the chassis interacts smoothly with others, supporting organized motion. Heat management is handled by a network of coolant passages that maintain stable temperatures across the engine and transmission. Electrical circuits for driving critical systems operate independently from secondary features like infotainment or climate controls, keeping key mechanics reliable. Sensors monitor conditions without constant intervention, allowing the vehicle to maintain smooth operation. Brakes spread force evenly across all components, ensuring hardware works together without excess wear. Interior controls respond instantly, and materials are chosen to maintain durability and consistent performance. Assembly focuses on exact fit, so each component interacts properly with the next. The Toyota Corolla Cross excels at blending consistency and simplicity. Every system is designed to work together without overcomplicating operation, resulting in a vehicle that feels reliable, smooth, and composed, giving drivers confidence in a straightforward and practical SUV that performs dependably day after day. Number 1. Honda CR-V. The Honda CR-V is made to run smoothly and last a long time. Its engine works evenly, sending power to the wheels in a steady way. All the moving parts inside the engine and transmission work together, so nothing is under extra stress. Fuel goes to each cylinder evenly, keeping the engine calm and consistent. Shifting gears happens in a smooth order. The wheels get power evenly, so the SUV moves without jerks. All the parts inside stay in line, which helps the car keep running well for years. The vehicle responds naturally when the driver presses the accelerator or turns the steering wheel. Suspension parts like arms, mounts, and bushings help the SUV move without making other parts work too hard. The steering feels clear and easy to control. Each part of the frame and suspension moves in a way that helps the car stay balanced and steady. Cooling keeps the engine and transmission at the right temperature. Electrical systems that control the engine and driving work on their own from media or comfort features. Sensors check what is happening without changing things too much. Brakes apply pressure evenly, so all the parts work together. Inside, buttons and controls respond quickly. Materials are strong and last a long time. During assembly, parts are fitted carefully so everything works together without problems. The Honda CR-V is simple but strong. Every system works with the others to make driving smooth and easy. It does not rely on fancy features. It just runs well day after day, giving drivers a reliable and calm ride. Now for the bonus SUV, Volkswagen Tiguan. The Volkswagen Tiguan has many modern features, but its electronic systems and infotainment can cause frequent problems. Some owners report issues with screens, controls, and sensors that need extra attention or repairs. Suspension and brake parts also may wear faster than in simpler SUVs. While it looks good and drives well, its complex systems make it less reliable for people who want an SUV that stays trouble-free for many years.